Domino's exceeded Wall Street's expectations. Maple Street Biscuit Company has a new owner, and Jersey Mike's IPO is off and running. Welcome to Restaurant Daily, your daily dose of the most important news of the industry from the editors of Restaurant Business and Nation's Restaurant News. I'm RB Executive Editor Lisa Jennings.
And I'm Managing Editor Leanne Zinsmeister. Domino's Pizza's domestic same-store sales stayed positive in the second quarter, up 0.1% year over year, despite a tough lap from its DoorDash rollout in 2025 and an increasingly pressured consumer hit by rising gas prices. Revenue also exceeded Wall Street's expectations, marking a 4.3% increase to $1.19 billion, driven by higher order volumes, an increase in food basket pricing to stores, and higher franchise royalty and advertising revenue from store growth. In a statement, CEO Russell Weiner called order count growth the most important long-term driver of success in the business as it indicates, quotes, millions of new customers. Domino's Pizza shares rose by over 8% in pre-market trading on Monday.
Louisville, Kentucky-based brunch concept Biscuit Belly has acquired Maple Street Biscuit Company, a subsidiary of Cracker Barrel. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. The acquisition adds 34 Maple Street locations to Biscuit Belly's footprint, more than tripling its growth. Those locations will be converted to the Biscuit Belly brand throughout the next 18 to 24 months, with conversions starting in the Cincinnati and Richmond, Virginia markets. Biscuit Belly, which currently has 15 locations, is targeting over 50 restaurants by the end of 2028.
Jersey Mike's launched its IPO on Monday, seeking to raise more than $1 billion. The company said it planned to offer more than 43 million shares with a price between $21 and $25 per share. The stock will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker JMKE. The IPO comes less than 2 years after private equity firm Blackstone acquired the sandwich chain for $6.3 billion from founder Peter Cancro, who has retained meaningful equity ownership. Cancro is also the master franchisee for the brand in the United Kingdom and Ireland. The 3,300-unit fast casual sees room for 7,500 units domestically and ultimately 15,000 globally.
P.F. Chang's is giving out digital fortune cookies, but you'll have to sign up for its loyalty program. The promotion is in celebration of the National Fortune Cookie Day on Monday and kicks off a week of fortune-related marketing for the chain, including doling out fortunes on social media and delivering random acts of kindness for local organizations. Customers that want to see their digital fortune can go to P.F. Chang's website to sign up.
Handles is one of the country's oldest growth chains. The 81-year-old ice cream brand, started in Youngstown, Ohio, prides itself on its analog way of doing business with no special technology like mobile apps. It makes ice cream on site using some of the same techniques that founder Alice Handle used in 1945. The company has been one of the fastest growing treat chains over the past decade. System sales of the nearly 200-unit chain have grown more than 600% over the past decade.
Impressive. Burger King's newest operational improvement involves in-store champions. The fast food chain has reimagined a manager role inside its restaurants, creating a Your Way champion, a point person who will welcome customers, answer questions, and ensure that orders are prepared the way customers want. The company is also guaranteeing its Whopper. Customers who don't get Whoppers that meet their expectations will not only get their burger remade, they will get a coupon for a free Whopper.
And that should do it for today's Daily. Tune in every weekday on Spotify or wherever you get your podcasts. I'm Leanne Zinsmeister.
And I'm Lisa Jennings. Tuesday is the second day of the Create Conference on the beautiful Palos Verdes Peninsula. If you're here, come and say hello. And don't forget sunscreen.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of Restaurant Daily. Rate us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and subscribe.